2024 is here, and it's time to level up your Google Ads game. Let's dive into the important points you need to remember. First up, automation and AI. Machine learning is taking over, optimizing your ad performance like never before. Next, privacy and data use. Changes in data tracking and user privacy are reshaping ad targeting. Stay informed. Mobile-first advertising is a must. With mobile usage skyrocketing, your ad strategies need to be mobile-friendly. And don't forget about video ads. They're gaining more importance, especially on platforms like YouTube. For businesses with physical locations, integrate Google Ads with local SEO in Google My Business. It's a game changer. Be agile and adapt to consumer behavior. Stay ahead of the trends and market shifts. Lastly, sustainability and corporate responsibility. These themes are becoming pivotal in advertising messages. Show your audience you care. So, there you have it, the important points for Google Ads in 2024. Get ready to dominate the digital advertising world.